all is fair in love and homeownership, except for the part where you have to clean. As your local home matchmaker, I try my best to make things just a little bit easier on you each month with a handful of maintenance tasks and chores so that you can tackle these so you never fall behind. Hey, I'm Annette Marble, your favorite key real estate agent in and around Central Ohio. Okay, make sure you stay till the end so that you can see how you can get your own 12-month homeowner checklist. Yes, the whole year's worth in one task today. For February, what we need to do is wipe down baseboards, dust the blinds, wash shower curtains, deep clean floors, fix any clogged drains, deep clean showers and tubs, check for lint buildup in your dryer and refresh and organize those laundry rooms, organize the spice cabinet. Yeah, I love doing that. Make a list of maintenance supplies that you're gonna need. Order backup stock for your kitchen and bath supplies. Who doesn't want to run out of toilet paper? Make a list of what you love about your home. Snap a picture of you in your favorite spot and then tag me in it and comment below home owner, and I'll send you our 2024 12-month homeowner checklist. And don't forget, we're always in and around Columbus, Ohio. We're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.